umthetho wakhona ngizwe emchuno bacabanga ukuthi la emhlabeni siphila icontent thina ungizwe nje kahle kahle into sengayibuka ngongizwe ucabanga ukuthi la emhlabeni siphila icontent ucabanga ukuthi sonke siphilela ukusangana nje sivele sisuke sisangana angazi lento kangizwe noma ihambisana nomona noma iyini ungizwe into mayivele ngaye noma kuuye osusele leso sidubedube esikhona ufuna ukuthi wonke umuntu asukume naye asupport yena anake yena afocus kuye makuuye uthola ukuthi futhi ke ubusiness ngezinto ezisuke zingenamsebenzi walutho nje ezisuke izuzisa yena nomhobholo wakhe ezisuke zingasifaki thina uchaza ukuthini nje ungizwe mayizothi uyayibona izwe liyadunguzela uyayibona indaba yomkhwanazi kodwa ubuyayibona okwamanje ake sinake lento ebalekile yabafana bahambe ngeenyawo la bafana bahambe ngeenyawo mina nje ngingedwa mangingabuza yini umsebenzi walokho akuhamba kwabo mhlawumbe mina engingawazi kodwa ukhona owaziyo ukuze sibone ukuthi ukuhamba kwalabo abafana besuke lapha bengapha khona lapho kusisiza khona as country team sibone ukuthi ukuhamba kwalabo abafana bakhe bebhekele babo nogwajo bebhekele kukhona wengizwa siphila icontent sonke ungafundi ukuthi bethi abantu sifocus entweni ethinta izwe lethu sihleli kulo ezabahlali bala South Africa si worried ngenhlalonhle yomphakathi mzositshela ngabafana bahamba ngenyawo baye ku Cape Town kodwa kube uwe okhuluma izinto ekhulunywa umkhwanazi ngabe ufuna lonke izwe namhla libe ngenyawo lilekelele wena likuvuma ukuthi uhlakaniphile likuvuma ukuthi uyinkosi yamabhinqa umona nje lento ngizwe siniphatha manje isiwumona isensebenza umona ngisho nala onganasidingo khona ukuthi mina umona niyawo apply kulento kamkhwanazi usungathatha le situation kamkhwanazi very critical ngalendlela uzoyithi sitshela abafana bawokha mase bewokhile baqeda sothola njengezwe yini soyithola ngoba kuloko okhulunywa umkhwanazi sizozuza ukuthi izwe lizobuyele kubeni yilo kuncipha ubugebengu kuncipha corruption kwenzeke yonke into kuloko kwakho nabafana bakho othi asikunake thina kusisiza phi kosinika nti yini okosinika yona ningasiphilisi content ngizwe nihlakane nogwajo asiphili content sonke abayethi siphila impilo bafethu asiphili content ungaqhamuka uzothi olokho kamkhwanazi sobuye sikubone sinakela abafana bahambe base besinika thina njenge country base befikile baya khona yini soyizuza thina njenge country angisho mhlawumbe ukuthi ukuhamba kwabo mhlawumbe ukhona okwazi ukuthi kubaluleke ngani mase befikile ngapha yini abazoyithola ezobuyizo contributor towards inhlalonhle yezwe noma yesizwe sethu noma mhlawumbe ke ngazi ukuhamba kwabo kuzodonate ini kuzobe kuyidonate kumapha ama charity angazi but yekani lo mona wenu ngizwe oniphatha ukuthi nifune kube yini okukhulunywa ngani nifune kube yini abavusi beyinyamazane nifuna kube yini onqa phambili nifuna into mayikhulunywe yini sukume sonke ma kunomuntu omunye okhuluma into eserious senifuna ukuyigcipha nithi akunaka abafana bahambile asihlanye emakhanda sonke siyaphila abanye bethu asisangene nje sonke emakhanda
eNingizimu Afrika Ungizwe mina nomcelo untombazane mntazalakazi ngoma basemthande ngomavumane evunywa lasemelika upresident of the Benga Nation njoba ngimile ngingila simphezulu kwesizwe simphezulu kweyinkingo esizaziyo phezulu komhlaba wezwe lesingazinovela yakubona ukudunguzela kwalo ngendlela ekudunguzela ngayo izwe kodwa ukudunguzela kwalo sizoku-addressa ngesikhathi esifanele soon and very soon kodwa lisifice sivele sisembhidla ngane oyisimangalisi njengamanje mina ngizonichazela bafowethu ukuthi lisuke kunabafana abahlanu abayingxenye yamabhinqa yokuthi besuke la kwaZulu eThekwini besuke ngezinyawo bebheke eCape Town baqhamuka lapha esini omqhamuka ephosini wakumathonsi eMandeni omqhamuka ephosini basemachambeni eMandeni abanye baqhamuka Olundi naseshowe bahlanu laba bafana benza lento kuthiwa peace walk against youth employment against child abuse women abuse and drugs abuse. Izinto lezo ezifola kuma-department amaningi ehlukahlukene eNingizimu Afrika. And the importance of healthy lifestyle. Njengoba sazi ukuthi into eningi kakhulu la idakwa utshwala, into eningi kakhulu iney'nkinga zama-drugs, and inenkinga futhi enkulu ye-unemployment. Abaqali-ke, ukhuluma mina ngabafana mina asebehambe more than 80 countries kwi-SADC bewalker. So is the first official peace walk that they have declared. Ukuthi bahambe baye besuka la from Durban to Cape Town. Bahambe 10 weeks. Njengoba qala neliviki and nga 11. Khulumile ke ne-Department of Social Development KwaZulu-Natal ohola umama uMbali Shinga njengoba kunenkinga enkulu bese kuzoba nenkinga futhi enkulu ehambisana ne-child trafficking through social media and all. Ngaphinde ngakhuluma no-MEC wakwa Arts and Culture KwaZulu-Natal ukuthi labafana njengoba beyingcenye yamabhinqa baqele into eyodwa yokuthi kulo lonke uhamba balihambile abantu who have been sponsoring them and who have been supporting them they are zero. Akho muntu obebasupport endleleni bebethola belungu abamhlophe abebekwazi ukubasiza ngama-meals abanye bawabhukela accommodation ngoba bahamba ngamabhayisikili ngebhayisikili elilodwa elithwala itende abasuke bezolala kulona. So these young kids, they've sacrificed their life to protect their peers. As a president of the Benga nation, I'm appealing to the entire nation that I've exhausted the power I have in terms of communicating school, KwaZulu-Natal, Arts and Culture, Social Development, ngaphinde futhi ngakhuluma national umama uStella Khumalo bese Namibia eVenduka ngakhuluma naye no osebenza noMackenzie. There is no response till the last minute. Njengamanje bano 200 kilometers obasalele. Khulume nabo laba bantu last week mina. Bano 200 kilometers abasalele. Delegation yamabhinqa at least 5 people traveling from here to Cape Town to welcome them and honor their heroism and their historical journey. At least bephinde futhi bebhukhela amabhanoyi sibuye nabo laba abantu abenze isimangaliso ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika. And they are not gonna end there. And inkosi yesizwe samaZulu ingithumile mina ukuthi ngihambe ngiyobamukela le Cape Town. Ngiphinde futhi mase uma ngabe sebelendile la kwaZulu ngizobathatha ngibase straight esigodlweni sesini beyomukela izibusiso ongangentanga ngoba njengomuntu okuyi cabinet okuyi top 6 yaseNdlunkulu uma amabhinqa ekwazi ukusukuma fighting against alcohol and drugs and women abuse and youth unemployment leyo nto leyo iyinto enkulu kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kwinhlaka production to partnership with them at a zero budget. Nami njengopresident wabhinqa nation I have a zero budget, but it's my responsibility to cry to the nation ukuthi akusinamathikiti okuhamba njengamanje okuyomukela bona. Asifune imali yamuntu umise nomatshana, asifune imali yamuntu ngoba sikhuthuza umuntu la sikhuluma la ngeimpilo zabantwana yokuthi any business person that can be laying a hand to support these young kids and support the initiative that they have taken. Me, I only have a moral support. I'm gonna be there in Cape Town to welcome them and come back with them and take them straight to the king and to deserve their crown. And after that, they will be also marching straight to Kilimanjaro. Emveni kwalokho bazobe sebeya kuphi na, beya ekhaya. Njengamanje njengoba ngishilo bahambe 10 weeks, leli viki elika 11. Ngiyacela ngane zakwethu, sasa lokho kusala fanele siba welcome laba bantu eCape Town. But our government, provincial government and national government is not supporting such initiatives. And with no reason for them not to support such things. If our government is a government of RIP and is a government of hospice, la kuhlukumezeka khona abantwana bethu bagcina befa, la kuhlukumezeka khona isizwe. Nanjengamanje isizwe sihlukumezekile, sihlukumezekile, basukuma abafanele ukukhuluma bakhuluma, and nami ngisazokhuluma njengomongameli wamabhenki. Akukho esingakubona kunjalo nje. Ngiyacela ngane zakwethu ukuthi with immediate effect sikwazi ukuxhumana nabantu who can support this journey, because laba bantu abakwazi ukuqala phansi bengena esitimeleni bethi beza la kwaZulu. At least can we honor them? Can we honor them? Can we honor them about what they have done? Young kids in the historical culture, peaceful walk from Durban to Cape Town. Mangvala la, the only person engakhuluma naye iMayor Chief. Ngizomkhuluma naye ubaba uSelqa. Abona ukuthi njani. It's not even an emergency. I've tried to exhaust all the protocols and everything, communicating with the big people, but they failed me. Tumhle Khawula ngalibamba ucingo, diniwe ngoba naku mina ngibeka imbono ngenkatha and ucabanga ukuthi uphethe ibudget yenkatha kodwa uphethe ibudget kahulumeni. Uphukuphuku lobo. We are not talking about feelings. We are talking about reality. I'm not asking for petrol money. Mina mangifuna imali kapetrol ngicela kubantu engazi ukuthi bazonginika imali kapetrol abangabafowethu. Hayi kumgodoyi mina engeke ikwenze lokho. So therefore njengamanje mina I'm appealing to the people who will help. And ngicela ukubonga kubo bonke, especially abelungu abamhlophe aba-understandayo lo msebenzi owenziwa lezi ngane. The way they've supported them for Bloemfontein everywhere they go. One of them got sick, wabuya weza kwaZulu, wazolashwa, waphinde wagibela ibhasi, wabajoyina abafowabo. Leyo nto leyo, that passion for me is phenomenal. South Africa, Gizo Online, Amapinga Nation, Shaka Production, Yatayela, can you support us in trying our all best to build the nation for now and the future? Mind, where's hot? Look at my gear.